and welcome to today's COVID-19 update for Thursday, November 11, 2021. I'm Natasha Smith-Thomas. In today's COVID-19 update, we get the latest hospitalization and vaccination numbers, and we also learn that lactating and pregnant mothers can choose from any of the available vaccines.
So over the last 24 hours, we've recorded 98 new cases of COVID-19 across the country. And currently we have 2,444 active cases, with most of those cases being in Region 3. We have 1,085 cases in Region 3 currently. We also have 724 cases in Region 4, 215 cases in Region 6, and 194 cases in Region 10. Of the active cases, we currently have 49 in the hospital, with 36 of those at the Ocean View Hospital. And of those 36 at Ocean View, we now have 17 in the ICU. So generally we have seen the numbers coming down a little bit, hospitalizations coming down, but we are also seeing in some regions an increase in cases. So like in Region 10, we have a notable increase in cases because we are now at 194, and we have seen increase in cases in Region 6 in some areas. So it is something to note. And in Region 10, for example, we have very low vaccination uptake. So maybe that's one of the reasons that is driving the increase in cases, because if people are not immunized, then they're not protected. In the past 24 hours, we've had 3 deaths, and we are going to continue to see deaths if people are not taking vaccination. What we have noticed is that most of these deaths are persons who are unvaccinated. First of all, if you're unvaccinated, you have a higher chance of getting the disease, and if you get the disease and you have comorbidities, you can have a more severe form of the disease that require hospitalization. And then if you have a severe form of the disease, you can end up dying from the disease. So we have something that we know that protects you, and that is getting vaccinated. And we still have at this point in time people who have not taken their vaccine. And many of the persons who are dying right now, when we check their vaccine status, they're unvaccinated. In each region, if we look at first dose coverage, in Region 1, we are right now at 81.5% of the population, the adult population. In Region 2, we are at 61.3% of the adult population. Region 3, 72.9%. Region 4, 85.3%. Region 5 at 74.6%. Region 6, 75.4%. Region 7, 75.1%. Region 8, 47.6%, Region 9 74.7%, and Region 10 at 35.6%. So our overall coverage for first dose adult is 75.9%, and our overall coverage for second dose adult is at 50.1%. So all the vaccines that we have available can be given to pregnant and lactating women. Earlier we have had a number of persons who were asking to get the Pfizer vaccine, and that is why initially, when we open up the vaccination of Pfizer, when we move from just the children from 12 to 17, the next group of people that we offer it to was pregnant women. But it doesn't mean if they have a choice or a preference of getting another vaccine, they can ask when they go to the vaccination site.
You have been watching today's COVID-19 update for Thursday, November 11, 2021. I'm Natasha Smith-Thomas. Goodbye.